Hi everyone, welcome to another insightful video from our channel, Thanking Tech. What's on the menu today? Well, we could dive into the vast universe of AI, but let's spice it up and talk about what's cooking. Today we're kicking things off with a fascinating topic, AI agents. Now don't worry, these aren't the trench coat wearing, badge flashing agents knocking on your door for an investigation. And they're not trying to sell you stuff either. We are, in fact, talking about the future shaping, problem solving superstars, autonomous AI agents. These digital marvels are set to collaborate in ways we've only dreamed of, tackling humanity's most enduring challenges head on. Here's the buzz. By 2025, AI agents are predicted to become integral to the workforce. They're expected to streamline operations, boost profits, and handle tasks that typically take entire teams to accomplish. Some even claim they could replace certain job roles entirely. Sounds like a sci-fi plot, right? But here's the kicker. While these bold claims are intriguing, the reality is AI agents are still the new kids on the block. They haven't been around long enough for us to know if they can fully take over specific job functions. What we do know, we need them. They're here to stay, and they're ready to reshape how we work and solve problems. Autonomous AI agents represent the next wave of AI innovation. These agents operate independently or collaboratively to perform complex tasks, making them invaluable in industries such as customer support, research, marketing, data analysis, and software development. So what are AI agents? Agentic systems manage team workflows, make real-time decisions, and empower applications with dynamic, self-improving AI capabilities. They streamline operations, automate repetitive tasks, and even tackle creative problem solving, freeing up human teams to focus on strategic and high-value work. Whether it's drafting reports, writing code, or optimizing workflows, these agents bring precision, efficiency, and scalability to the table, changing the way businesses operate today. Automation is the game changer here, and jobs involving repetitive tasks like creating pivot tables in Excel, generating charts, data entry, basic coding, running social media campaigns, and even content writing are being taken over by armies of AI agents. This shift is happening as we speak, and it's reshaping the job market. Like it or not, we'll need to adapt to this new reality. However, not all jobs are at risk. Complex roles such as leadership, medical and scientific research, translating intricate business requirements into production-grade code, system design and architecture, user experience design, people management, and certain aspects of marketing and finance remain beyond the current capabilities of AI agents. These areas require nuanced decision-making, creativity, and human empathy, skills AI won't master anytime soon. So while automation is advancing rapidly, the human touch still holds its ground in critical domains. Let's dive into some of the most popular frameworks available today. Frameworks that empower you to create magical AI-driven agent automation. The list in front of you are some of the popular frameworks that are being used to create AI automated agentic workflows, automated task management systems, intelligent decision-making pipelines, data processing pipelines, sophisticated marketing research tools, etc. These frameworks enable developers to build AI agents capable of performing tasks like natural language processing, data analysis, content analysis, process optimization, and even generating creative content, all with minimal human intervention. These frameworks have the ability to create agents further augmented with knowledge bases, tools such as API calls, libraries, document references, etc., and the ability to give the AI agents fine-grained and detailed instructions on their tasks through sophisticated prompts. Frameworks like Crew AI focus on creating agents that execute workflows sequentially. However, AutoGen allows agents to be conversational, allowing back-and-forth conversations between agents to reason out amongst themselves. Fadada emphasizes simplicity and elegance by providing built-in beautiful agent UI to create agents. It's designed to make building multimodal agents as straightforward as possible while maintaining powerful capabilities. Yet other frameworks like Defy and UAI have elaborate UI to automate tasks with AI agents and augment them with knowledge bases. The choice of agentic framework depends on the use case and the people who are going to build it. Nevertheless, these frameworks are useful and stable enough to build sophisticated and state-of-the-art agentic workflows and systems. Now let's talk about why would you want to create agentic systems? Well, the obvious reasons would be to automate workflows by dividing a problem into smaller, more granular tasks that an agent can resolve in a more efficient, accurate, and expected manner. Save time and resources by delegating repetitive or time-consuming tasks to AI agents, allowing human teams to focus on strategic, high-value activities. Enhance scalability by deploying multiple agents that can work simultaneously, handling increased workloads without the need for additional human resources. Improve decision-making by leveraging AI agents to analyze large volumes of data quickly and provide insights or recommendations. Ensure 24/7 operations as agents can work around the clock without fatigue, maintaining consistent performance and reliability. Boost innovation by enabling agents to explore and experiment with solutions beyond conventional human approaches, uncovering new opportunities and efficiencies. AI agents are, quite simply, incredible. And here's why. They possess deeper reasoning capabilities compared to traditional prompts submitted directly to large language models, LLMs. This is because agents can engage in dynamic conversations with one another, critique each other's logic, and collaboratively reason through complex problems. This behavior mimics human problem solving, almost as if agents understand that dialogue is key to finding solutions. Through these interactions, agents delve deeper into their analysis, uncovering meaningful insights that manual efforts might overlook. Equipped with a comprehensive knowledge base, they draw insights from a vast and structured repository of information, enhancing the accuracy and relevance of their outputs. They possess the ability to self-reflect and reason through tasks, enabling them to deliver highly relevant and accurate results. Where manual efforts might falter, they excel at uncovering the proverbial needle in the haystack. With well-crafted prompts, you can fine-tune an agent to operate like a perfectionist, refusing to settle for mediocre outcomes and persistently refining its approach until it fully resolves the problem at hand. Picture this. It's 2025, and James Bond is on a high-stakes mission. There's a ticking bomb, and he's staring at a tangled mess of wires. Red or blue? He's got no clue. The timer is down to mere seconds and sweat's dripping off his brow. Then it hits him. Q had installed a nifty AI app on his device. Desperate, he points the app at the bomb. The AI agents spring into action, analyzing the bomb in record time. Cut the blue wire, the app instructs coolly. Bond snips it with just 2 seconds to spare. Thanks, R3D4, Bond mutters, catching his breath. Lay off the martinis, Bond, the AI quips. Right, well, enough jokes? I tend to meander sometimes. Cough, cough. Let's get on with it then. AI agents' capabilities can be significantly enhanced through the use of tools. These tools serve as AI-adjacent extensions, enabling agents to execute functions such as calling external APIs for additional information, accessing external knowledge bases, or performing coding tasks. You could even use a tool to ethically test a website's security. Strictly white hat hacking, of course. I don't endorse anything illegal. By applying the principles of prompt engineering, agents can be designed as well-defined constructs with clear goals, distinct personas, and precise task definitions. This ensures that the agent stays on track, remains transparent in its reasoning, and performs exactly as intended, adhering closely to its programmed objectives. We wouldn't want our agents to be sipping martinis now, would we? Incorporating a human-in-the-loop approach ensures that intermediate results from agents can be reviewed by human counterparts. This allows the agent to be guided, critiqued, and nudged in the right direction, helping it refine its process and deliver more accurate and reliable results. This also helps them learn and improve their behavior, accuracy, and relevance of responses over time. Reinforcement learning empowers AI agents to apply logic and intuition much like a human, while maintaining a fair, bias-free, transparent, secure, and robust environment supported by continuous feedback and monitoring. Through self-reflection and dialogue, agents can refine their results by analyzing historical conversational data. Additionally, they can integrate with traditional NLP algorithms to interpret sentiments and generate recommendations, further enhancing their capabilities. Truly, AI agentic systems are the future of information technology. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. AI agents are transforming the way we approach automation, decision-making, and complex problem-solving. These agents, powered by frameworks like DiFi, LangGraph, Augen, Pydantic, Phidata, Crew AI, and Relevance AI, operate as intelligent, goal-driven systems capable of executing tasks autonomously or collaboratively. Unlike traditional AI models, agents possess advanced reasoning capabilities, allowing them to self-reflect, critique each other, and refine their solutions through iterative learning. Agentic frameworks enhance these capabilities by providing tools to break down problems into granular tasks, automate workflows, and integrate external resources like APIs, knowledge bases, and machine learning algorithms. For example, agents can analyze data, generate insights, or even perform ethical security testing. Through human-in-the-loop approaches, intermediate outputs can be reviewed and refined, ensuring accuracy and transparency. These frameworks support advanced features such as agentic feedback loops, sentiment analysis, and recommendations, making AI agents highly adaptable and effective across industries. With their ability to scale, learn from historical interactions, and continuously improve, AI agents are poised to become indispensable in solving real-world challenges and optimizing business processes. I hope you found this useful. If you did, I request you to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will be coming up with some new and exciting AI-related content soon, so do keep an eye on our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful and a beautiful day.